to me now with this weight thing, and sometimes I notice that she tell me about her weight, and I tell me say she insecure about her weight. But then she tell me say, oh, say people like how she look like teddy bear. And people always like how she have on the weight, and people like when she big on them something. So me I say, when you ask me about your weight and advice to lose weight, and then you tell me say people like you with your weight and like how you look like teddy bear. What the hell? What the hell? You ask me about what you have to do for your teeth. You ask me this, and then you say, oh, say, you know, say people like me like this, and people like me like that, and people like me like this, and people. What you like about yourself? What do you like about yourself? Where do you like about yourself? Where do you like about yourself? Me know say, me like my big nose. Me know say me like my lip, them even though them big. Me know say, me like my big forehead. Me know say me like my black skin. Some me face break out sometime, but I mean at the least, you understand me I say? Me know say me like my big thick leg them. Me know say me like myself. If me a one boy attack and him say, oh, me too big and what have you and what have you. Me know say, you know, it's either me have to deeply have a problem with myself or really want to change that. That is his problem. It don't have nothing to do with me. You ask me about your teeth, but at the same time, you're insecure about your teeth. You're the insecure about your teeth. Everything you're insecure about. You're insecure about my friend. Me not like par with ugly girl, brother. Me not par with none of my friend. Them never ugly yet. Me never par with ugly girl yet. From the day me know myself, I be a fat, sexy girl me par with. You understand me? I say? Me not par with ugly girl, period. All of my friend, them look good. All if them not have certain things, them can fix up and look good. You get me? So how you go complain, oh, Sky is so sexy, Sky is a bad bitch, and you're so used to being around bad bitches. You're supposed to be a stud, a whole male, a masculine figure. You're supposed to actually, like, just, you